In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to highlight an object in Premiere Pro. So right here, I have this clip on my timeline. I'm going to head over to Effects Control and then search for Lumetri color. And then I'm going to click and drag the effect onto the clip on the timeline. And then head over to Effects Controls. Within Effects Controls, I'm going to expand the basic correction under Lumetri color. What I'm looking for is the exposure. And then I'm going to move my playhead to where I want the highlights to start. So let's say right here. And then I'm going to modify the exposure value to make the entire clip a little bit dark. So I moved it to the negative values. And then I'm going to create a mask around the object I want to highlight. So I'm going to select the ellipse mask and I drag it onto the object, resize it. And then if you have to, you can track the mask. After doing that, when I move the playhead to somewhere in the middle, there I have the object I want to highlight, but the object is not highlighted. I have every other part of the image highlighted, but the subject. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to invert the mask, and there you have the highlights. Now, when I play this back, you have something like this. If you don't want the highlights to start from the beginning of the clip, you are going to have to keyframe it. So I'm going to head over to Exposure. Right here, I'm going to add a keyframe and I'm going to set the values to 0 and then move the playhead forward a bit and then add another keyframe and then set the values to minus 4.3 or whatever value you want. Now, when I play this back, if this video helped you, please give it a like and also do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. Thank you.